Today we're covering BIDMAS, and by the end of this video you'll know how to approach any question on it. I'm Josh from Strong Students, where we help ambitious students master GCSE maths and English. So BIDMAS is used to help us understand the order of operations in which we perform calculations in, and that might sound like a bunch of gibberish, so just hear me out. The order of operations basically means the order in which we perform calculations. BIDMAS stands for the order in which we perform these calculations in. So we start off by doing anything that's within the brackets, and then we do the indices, and then we do division, and then any multiplication, I'm just going to put multiply for short, then any addition we need to do within the calculation, and then any subtraction we need to do. I'm just going to put subtract for short. Now your teacher might have taught you this as BODMAS rather than BIDMAS. Don't worry, it's the same thing, it's just the O in BODMAS will stand for other, and this can be something like a square root as well as a power or an indice. So we're going to dive straight into some examples. So through our understanding of BIDMAS, we need to understand that in this question there's no brackets, there's no indices, there's no division, but the first thing that we do in this question is multiply. So we do the multiplication, which is 5 times 7, which is 35, and then we do the addition. There's two additions here, it doesn't matter which way you do it because of something called commutativity, which means if we do, for example, 3 plus 2, that is the same as 2 plus 3 because it's commutative, and I'm just going to write that down. So we can do 35 plus 2 plus 3, which gives you 40. Okay? So I'm going to leave you to have a go at question 18 and question 19. Pause the video and come back to me once you've had a go. Okay, for question 18, what we need to do first is anything inside the brackets, because BIDMAS says do the brackets first. So anything inside the brackets in this case is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So this now becomes 2 plus 8 squared. Then we do the indices next, which is the power. This is 8 to the power of 2, which is 2 plus 64. And 2 plus 64 is 66. So hopefully that makes sense. And for 19, it doesn't really matter which way we do this one round, as long as we do whatever is in the brackets first. And we have two sets of brackets here, so we get 4 times 10, which is 40, 10 divided by 2, which is 5, and then the division sign in the middle means we divide them. 40 divided by 5 is just 8. Okay, so what we're going to look at to finish off is some exam style questions where it's asking us to put brackets around each of these statements or on one side of the equation to make the statement correct. So I'm going to leave you to have a go at this. Pause the video and come back to me once you've had a go. Okay, so hopefully you can see for the first one, we put the brackets around the 3 plus 4. Because 3 plus 4 means, because of BIDMAS, this is the first thing we do in this calculation. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then we times this by 7 next, which is 49. And then we add 2, which is 51. And 51 equals 51, so this statement is now correct. Okay? And finally, 21b isn't too bad. We put the brackets around the 3 plus 2, because 3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now this statement is correct. Now that you've mastered BIDMAS, keep an eye out for future videos to come where I'll help you with other topics within the number area of maths and also algebra, shapes and loads of different areas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.